Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at the AGAC Style Panel Brace. Now, they did two of them. They were circular, not the angle aluminum ones that we're seeing breaking all the times in our airplanes, but they went with originally aluminum and the AGACs, and then Tiger changed over to stainless steel. So let's talk a little bit about our panel brace in general. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, we've all seen what our normal panel braces look like, and this is from the AA1s all the way through the AA5Bs. AG5B changed something a little different, but most of us are seeing basically 3/4 inch angle aluminum, and what they tend to happen is they tend to break at either end. It tends to flex a little bit, there's a little bit of vibration, work hardens the aluminum, and it breaks. Now, it does make a good ground for people who are trying to ground all the avionics to a common point, so the panel brace is important, and it's a little bit off center in most of our airplanes. But AGAC decided to make a change down the road because they were tired of seeing the break. It also gave them a little bit of an option. Now, AGAC, again, went with a round rod, a 3/4 inch diameter, outside diameter, roughly about 19-inch long piece of aluminum. And what they basically did was they hammered the two ends down flat, rounded them, drilled a hole in the center for a bolt, and that's how they braced the panel to the firewall. Now, Tiger, in some of the ones that we have seen, they used a stainless steel, a 304, 321 stainless. That material is available from Aircraft Spruce. It's about $6 a foot. You need, again, 19 inches per brace. There are two braces, 3/4 inch outside diameter. So that's what you can do if you want to change to the new style panel bracing if you're tired of breaking your old one. The one disadvantage of this one is it's not easy to drill a hole in it and mount a grounding strap to it. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's probably, again, a little bit more than you wanted to know about our panel braces. Again, the original aluminum angle in the original airplanes and the stainless steel in the Tigers. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Let me apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.